Be Wealthy and Smart, episode 282.
Step into a world of wealth and financial freedom without budgets, boredom, or bosses on Be Wealthy and Smart. And now, here's your host, Linda P. Jones.
Welcome to Be Wealthy and Smart. I'm Linda P. Jones, America's Wealth Mentor, empowering women and men worldwide to financial freedom. Well, today is Listener Question Friday, and a listener sent me an email that said, Linda, I see Snap went back to its IPO price. Do you recommend buying it? Nancy. Well, Nancy, you're referring, of course, to Snap, the social media messaging and fun videotaping device. Snap is a lot of fun. I enjoy watching the things that people put together. And I did do a podcast a while ago about Snap, right around the time of the IPO, talking about how the management of Snap said they didn't know if they would ever make a profit. We're not talking about this year or next year. They're talking about ever make a profit. And that really concerned me because the number one reason that I want to own a company is for increasing earnings, which relates to profits and profitability, and making money is a good thing and raises your stock price. So for Snap to say they didn't know if they would ever be profitable was a real negative for me and a reason why I did not want to participate in their IPO. Now we see Snap back at their $17 IPO price. So do I like it now is the question that Nancy is really driving at. And my answer is still no. And the reason is pretty much for the same reason. I'm not seeing a lot of profitability, although they did get a $100 million advertising deal. I do see that they possibly can get some more advertising in the future and become very profitable through that. But I'd like to see their stock price come down even more. I believe Snap's market valuation is around $18 billion, which is still very, very rich for a new company that is not extremely profitable and doesn't know if it ever will be. So I would consider Snap if we had a sharp pullback in the market, maybe this fall, and it got down to some single-digit prices. I might take a look with some speculative money if I kept hearing good news about their advertising revenues and they were looking like they were starting to get some advertisers behind them and some revenue behind them. I might get interested at that point just to take a little fishing expedition if it really pulled back to a low price. But otherwise, that's not my normal MO of when I want to buy a company. I like to buy companies that are very profitable, that are going to be making money year after year after year, making more each year. And that's the typical company that I want to look for. But I can once in a while take a bit of risk on a company that I can see is very unique, has some long-term characteristics of being around. I think it has, been adapted by a small number of people compared to Facebook and Instagram, but I think that it certainly has potential to continue to grow and turn into something very profitable like a Facebook or an Instagram. So right now, I'm not a buyer of Snap, but I will keep my eye on it and maybe do some bottom fishing if an opportunity arises. If you haven't yet subscribed to Be Wealthy and Smart, hit that subscribe button, please, and leave a review. I'd love to hear from you and what you think of the show. Let's connect on social media. On Twitter and Instagram, I'm at Linda P. Jones, and at Facebook, I'm at Linda P. Jones fan page. I post articles and more content there if you want even more from Be Wealthy and Smart. And if you want to get your net worth moving in the right direction, get 11 quick financial tips to boost your wealth. Just go to lindapjones.com. That's all for today. Until next time, live the good life and be wealthy and smart.
Thank you for listening to Be Wealthy and Smart with Linda P. Jones. Share the wealth and tell your family and friends about the show. Check out our website, blog, and social media for more riches at www.bewealthyandsmart.com.